Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious strawberry ice cream using fresh strawberries and also an alternative if you do not have strawberries. So let's get started. Here I've got 300 gram nice ripe fresh strawberries. So next step is to chop the strawberries. There is an alternative which you may follow if you do not have strawberries, which I will tell you later in this recipe. But if you have fresh strawberries available to you, then that would be the best. So chop the strawberries like this. Do not make a puree of strawberry, because if you make puree, the texture of the prepared puree and later when we will cook it will not be the same as if you chop it. Add the strawberries to your pan or kadhai and keep the flame between low to medium. Next add 3 tablespoons sugar. If you directly add fresh strawberries to your ice cream base, the ice cream may become icy, that is, it may have ice crystals. Cooking the strawberries and then adding to the ice cream would make sure that the strawberries do not taste weird after freezing the ice cream and also would enhance the flavor and taste of strawberry in your ice cream. So this is ready, so it has a few chunks which I'm grinding. So still I do not want to make a fine puree of it. Let there be a few chunks in this paste or puree. You may use strawberry jam or crush which has strawberry chunks in it, but let me tell you, the amount of sugar that has is more than what we have prepared. Now here I've got 250 ml whipping cream. Make sure the whipping cream you're using is cold. This is unsweetened because it's dairy, but if you have non-dairy whipping cream which you use for cake decoration, you can use that as well. But in that case, later the amount of condensed milk that you would be adding to your cream would be reduced. So I'll tell you that later. Whip the cream till you get stiff peaks. A little less than stiff peaks is also okay for ice cream. Next add the prepared puree. You may add strawberry crush, but for the same amount it would have less strawberry and more sugar. Next I'm adding condensed milk. So here I've got a can of 200 gram condensed milk. If you want your ice cream to be a little less sweet, you can leave a little condensed milk in the container, like 2 to 3 tablespoons. After that add 1/4 cup milk. Make sure you use cold milk in this recipe and now gently fold everything using a spatula. The natural color that you get from using fresh strawberries or strawberries is not very red. You may add a few drops of red food color or you can skip this step. Our ice cream base is ready. Next, transfer it to an airtight container. You may place a plastic wrap or a plastic sheet on top. Next, set the ice cream in your freezer for 10 to 12 hours or overnight or till it sets. Since the ice cream is high in fat, it would take more time to freeze. You can serve the ice cream once it sets. If you're finding it difficult to scoop the ice cream right away, then you can leave your box, an ice cream box, for 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes on your countertop and then scoop the ice cream. You get a very nice, subtle strawberry flavor in this ice cream, and it's not at all like the strawberry flavored cough syrup or syrupy or very artificial strawberry flavor. You can top this ice cream with some fresh strawberries or strawberry crush. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!